Welcome to Current Office Technologies for WAEC Office Practice. Modern offices use rapidly evolving technologies. This lesson covers key technologies that are both practically important and examinable in WAEC theory questions. Input devices: keyboard, mouse, scanner, webcam, microphone. Output devices: monitor/screen, printer, projector, speakers. Storage devices: hard disk drive, HDD, solid-state drive, SSD, USB flash drive, external hard drive, CD, DVD, becoming obsolete. Cloud storage: Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, files stored on remote servers and accessible from any internet-connected device. Advantages of cloud: accessible anywhere, automatic backup, collaboration, multiple people editing same file simultaneously, no physical damage risk. Disadvantages: requires internet, limited in rural Nigeria, data privacy concerns, ongoing subscription cost. 1. Word processing: Microsoft Word, Google Docs, for letters, memos, reports. Most common office software. 2. Spreadsheet: Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, for financial records, payroll calculations, budgets. Replaces manual ledgers and calculators. 3. Presentation: Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, for meetings, training sessions, business proposals. 4. Database: Microsoft Access, MySQL, for storing and retrieving large volumes of structured data, customer records, product inventories. 5. Email clients: Microsoft Outlook, Gmail, for internal and external email communication. Replaces the memo and business letter for routine correspondence. 6. Accounting software: QuickBooks, Sage, TallyPrime, widely used in Nigerian SMEs for bookkeeping and accounting. 7. Video conferencing: Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, especially important post-COVID-19. Allows meetings without travel, significant in Nigeria's traffic-congested cities, Lagos. 1. Electronic mail: email has largely replaced paper memos for internal communication and business letters for routine external communication. Faster, cheaper, leaves electronic trail. 2. Enterprise resource planning: ERP large organizations use integrated software, SAP, Oracle, that links accounting, HR, supply chain, and operations in one system. Used by Dangote Group, MTN Nigeria. 3. Digital document management: scanning paper documents and storing digitally, EDMS. Saves physical filing space, enables keyword searching. 4. Mobile office: staff use smartphones and tablets to work remotely. Field sales staff in Nigerian FMCG companies, Nestle, Unilever, use mobile apps to process orders in the field. 5. Artificial intelligence, AI, in the office: chatbots for customer service, MTN Nigeria virtual assistant, AI-generated correspondence drafts, automated scheduling. WAEC is beginning to include AI as a discussion topic in theory questions. 6. Cybersecurity: as offices go digital, cybersecurity becomes critical. Common threats: phishing: fake emails that trick staff into revealing passwords. Ransomware: malware that locks office computers and demands payments. Nigerian banks have been targeted. Data breaches: unauthorized access to customer/staff data, violates NDPA 2023. Protection: strong passwords, two-factor authentication, 2FA, staff training, antivirus software. The NDPA 2023 is Nigeria's primary data protection legislation. Every office worker needs basic awareness. Key provisions relevant to office practice. 1. Organizations that collect personal data must register with NITDA, National Information Technology Development Agency. 2. Personal data must be collected for specific, explicit, and legitimate purposes. 3. Data must not be kept longer than necessary, retention policy. 4. Individuals have the right to access their personal data held by organizations. 5. Data breaches must be reported to NEDA within 72 hours. 6. Penalties. Fines up to 2% of annual gross revenue or 10 million Nigerian nairas, whichever is higher, for serious violations. Office practice implications. Shred or securely delete personal information when no longer needed. Do not share customer personal data with unauthorized parties. Secure computers with passwords. Lock screens when leaving the desk. Hardware, input, output, storage. Cloud storage, Google Drive, OneDrive, accessible anywhere, internet required. Software, Word, letters, Excel, accounts, PowerPoint, presentations, Zoom, meetings, QuickBooks, accounting. Nigerian trends, email replacing memos, ERP, mobile office, AI chatbots. NDPA 2023, Data Protection Law, register with NEDA, secure data, report breaches in 72 hours.